Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
So I have this chainsaw right here,
Okay.
and let's have a look at this. See how dry this chain is?
Yep.
It is like bone dry. There is no oil on it at all.
None.
Yeah.
And that's bad.
And that is bad. This thing has been ran dry with no oil in it. And I think I do know what the problem is. We're going to take this apart right now. We're going to check it out and see what happens. The reason this bar and this chain is so dry is because if we take this off.
Oh, wait. You showed me this. Can I guess?
Yeah.
And you can tell me if I'm right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said that right here, should we show folks here? Right here, there's a little port. So this is where the oil comes out that
That's
lubricates the bar so that the chain that runs along the bar is sufficiently, and has enough oil on it.
That's right.
Because otherwise...
You see what you just did there? Look at this. This is all tight and... That's
Okay,
good.
so we want a chain that's nice and smooth and slippy so that it doesn't catch and it does its job.
Exactly. You see what you're doing there? It's all tight and everything.
Yeah.
That's from lack of lubrication.
Okay.
So you're absolutely right.
By the way, there's like 9 jokes I just didn't make. You're welcome. Okay. Go on.
You're absolutely right. The oil squirts out of that hole and goes right into that hole right there.
Here?
Right into this little hole. See how wow, I can't even see it on this side.
Yeah, I don't see one.
It's so plugged. There it is on that side.
Oh,
right there.
this guy here.
That little hole right there.
Okay, well,
see,
that's
it's
your
completely
problem.
plugged. So there is no way for the oil to get out of the chainsaw and squirt into the side of that bar to fill the channel up, the groove, so the chain can actually pull it around and lubricate that. But check this out.
Oh, yeah. You said the bar can get plugged too, right?
The actual bar itself,
Okay.
yeah, you got gloves on, you can hold that.
I got this.
This is what I use. You can use all kinds of things for cleaning the bar out.
Okay.
You can use like little scrapers, all kinds of stuff.
Cool.
Little tiny little screwdrivers.
Yep. Now, and here's another tip that you told me earlier, right? You said that up here are the ball bearings. Is that right?
That's right.
So when we're cleaning it, we want these at this side and clean away from them so we don't gum up the works, right?
That's exactly right.
Okay.
So she's going to scrape that down.
Oh my gosh, it's really stuck.
I know, this is a really bad bar.
Nasty!
I know.
Well?
So look at this. Look what she just scraped out of this bar.
Well,
this is disgusting.
A mess.
This is chain oil and sawdust and mud and all kinds of stuff that she's scraping out of that bar. And what that does is it hinders the chain oil from circulating through that groove to actually lubricate the bar and chain properly.
And you told me that will wear out your bar and your chain, which means you get to spend a fortune buying new ones, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Check
let's
this
not
out.
spend a fortune.
Check
the
this
economy's
out.
tough. Okay, let's see.
This one right here.
Yep.
That bar right there. See how it's purple
Yep.
and blue right here?
Yeah, it's like it's been burned.
It's been burned bad. That is because somebody was running this with not adequate lubrication.
See? You get burned without adequate lubrication.
And that wears your bar out.
You can write your own jokes for that one, kids.
Exactly. So when you have something like that with your bar where it burns it that bad, it'll also widen the groove and then your chain gets floppy in there and everything.
Oh.
So what you're doing by not having adequate lubrication on your bar and chain, you're destroying the bar and the chain. So
All right,
you know what? So that whole groove, that channel is clean now.
Yep, channel's
And the oil can circulate around there now.
great.
And let's go back to that hole.
Oh, we gotta
hole-
clean this.
Exactly. If the whole channel can be clean, but if that little hole, there you go.
I feel
Exactly.
like- do we need something smaller? 'Cause
Well,
this is
you
like
know
a
what?
pin.
Sometimes, sometimes
Whoa. That
something
looks
like
dangerous.
that. But look at see this bar right here.
Yep.
That's got a big hole. That would
Oh,
work.
that's a lot easier.
That would work on there.
Yeah, for sure.
Some holes are
For sure.
on different bars, are different sizes.
Again, write your own jokes. Keep it clean, kids. It's a family show. Steve's Small Engine Repair has now been banned in 15 countries. But not Canada. We don't do that here. We don't do that here, folks. All right.
So there you go. So
there we go.
Now the holes are clean, so the oil can get into the bar.
Yep.
The channel, the groove is clean, so the oil can travel along that bar now.
And we can have a healthy
when the chain's
chainsaw.
going. Exactly. Yeah.
So
nice job. Hey, if you like Sarah Wayne Callies and you want to see the unedited version of this video with all the interview stuff and everything, click on the link in the description of this video and you'll see it. So, is there anything else you want to bring up while we're here before we sign off?
nope, I think we covered it.
Yeah, I do too. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed it. Till the next video. Steve,
And Sarah.
out.